Do you think you cannot earn money online without showing your face? Let me clear this. This is not true. Welcome to Real Success YouTube channel. I'm starting my journey of online earning while staying private and faceless. There are many real ways to earn online as a beginner. You can start freelancing, become a virtual assistant, do data entry, or even teach online. You don't need any expensive equipment. You just need one skill, a laptop, and a consistency. If you are someone who wants to work from home and stay private, then this channel is for you. Follow my journey on Real Success. Subscribe for simple online earning tips, online teaching tips, and beginner guides. Thanks for watching. The Hafiz.